Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching us from. It's another morning. I'm hoping that you guys are doing okay. I'm hoping that you guys are fine, that God has taken care of you up to this time. So, I don't know. Have I ever started this video like this? I've never started a video on a channel like this. But then now, I hope you bear with me. I know I'm a guest here, but this is our channel, Claude Joseph's channel. Kindly check him out, subscribe, like, and share. We're here doing a lot of things in preparation for uh, a new baby that's coming. And so today I wanted to tell you show you just a bit of what's happening. We are cleaning the bed. Remember I told you I didn't tell you here, it's on my channel, sorry. He told you last time there was some deep cleaning that was taking place. So that's exactly what's going on today. It's an extension of what was happening last time. So you see, we had to remove our mattress. It's big, so we had to remove our mattress. So he's sleeping here. He's still sleeping, very sleepy, because the guys cleaning came in and they've started their work. Last time we cleaned our chairs, they're very clean. Now it's the mattresses and the bed. So I'm going to be showing you what they're doing. They did an amazing job. So that's why I recall them again. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I don't know, what I'm worried about is if they're going to dry. They have a way of drying the bed, because they're literally washing the bed and the mattress. There's one mattress that is very dirty that I don't want. I don't like the look of it, so we decided to wash it. So let me show you what they're doing. Number one, so they've dismantled everything. Let me switch this off for a bit because it's a lot of noise. So they've dismantled everything. Yeah, so that's the mat. I don't know what to call this in English, or I don't know, I'm not so sure. So they dismantled, so they're washing. So that's how they're washing, because this bed was very dusty, super dusty. So they're going to be cleaning both front and back and everywhere, and then they dry it. So they came here very early. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, so that they clean, so that it's given time to dry, so that it can dry up very fast. So that's what they're doing. I'm not so sure about this. Oh, the curtains are, I think you'll fold the curtains, huh?
Yeah, I will fold them up when we're cleaning them.
Yeah, so because it's very, and I've also noticed, because I've never moved this bed, the windows are very dirty. They need also to be cleaned. I don't know if you can wipe them. Yeah, they're super dirty.
No,
so they're dirty. I think the dust, because we normally don't open these windows. Yeah, so that's what they're doing, and then they'll dry it, because last time it was super dusty and they removed the dust. So now want to dry it and clean before that time, so that everything is clean and fresh. Yeah, so that's what they're doing. There are two of them, and then after this they'll be washing the mattress. So basically it's just here and the mattress. Yeah, so guys, let's wait and see what they'll do. If they do an amazing job, we recommend them. But of course, I always recommend them. Last time we also recommended them, though we haven't gotten any person saying, oh, come and clean for us. So yeah, so in the meantime, that's our environment out there. That's our house. This is everything. So we want to make sure everything is clean, and then now we won't have anything to worry about, dust or anything like that. So next time if there's dust, we just wipe or just vacuum the dust. So guys, let's see each other in a bit, or maybe I'll come and show you again what they're doing. Okay, yeah, so see you guys in a bit. As you can see, today is
Rubbing the bed.
so guys, they're almost, but this guy here won't wake up to go and see his work. Yes, I want to go and show you what they're done and what they are doing right now. So let's go. And what's up? Because now, ooh, ooh, you're almost done. Yeah, so guys, they're cleaning and then they're going to be drying it up so that by evening time it's clean. It's dried completely. If you can fold that, it will be nice. Fold them upwards. You'll help me wipe the windows from, because yeah, just fold izinue kutoka chini nishike maji chini. Yeah. No. Because they washed them the other day, so I want you just fold them for me. Ziekele tu kwa chuma tu hapo juu. Hivyo tuinua tu juu, then zifix kwenda tu ndani ya chuma hivyo. Ndani ya ingisha tu hivyo. Okay, all right. Okay. Well, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so she's just going to clean the window. That's nice. Yeah. So that's what's going on. Everything must be clean, 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 clean. Oh. Okay. Thank you. So not yet, guys. So let's wait and see.
Hey, come on, guys. Oh man, I'm allergic to this class of this. Oh my god, it looks clean and nice. Alright. Guys, I just woke up. I wasn't feeling very well. I wasn't feeling okay. Hey, how are you? You good? You fine? You nice? You feeling okay? Today it seems like we were shifting out of this whole house or this home. So today we are doing some cleaning, and of course this bed is so too big. We decided like it can be washed inside here. So whatever they were doing here, whatever that they were doing here, it was cleaning the bed and dusting it using a vacuum cleaner. So it looks really nice for the welcome of baby. You know, very soon, very soon. I usually say soon because when I'll just tell you the exact day, you won't believe this. So it will be very soon and very soon and very soon. So of course we are here and it's another beautiful day. It's just preparation after preparation. So the bedroom today looks untidy, but literally very soon you'll be seeing it as we'll be arranging it back to normal. because look at even the, how do this called, matters? I don't know how they are called in Swahili, in English. In Swahili we call them chaga. Okay, bedwort. There's a name. Let me know in the comment section how do you call this. And it looks like a hardwood. This tree that is used here was cypress to make this one, so at least they can be lighter. You know, cypress is very light. Sometimes it's not as hard or heavy as maybe mahogany or eucalyptus or euphorbia. Euphorbia can't make what we call like euphorbia can't make a timber. So anyway, that is it. So that's how you see it. Though maybe some will be like, "Ah, Claude, we are exhausted with your bedroom videos." No. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. It has been very, very much clean. So the only thing is we'll be doing what we call like dusting also the mattresses, because I told you recently that we have a factory here, a cement factory called Bamburi. So mostly, I don't know how everything will be, but mostly we always leave our windows closed that way, the way you see, very, very, very closed, because the moment you open it anyhowly and you leave it maybe for a couple of hours and it's windy, it comes without you knowing. The dust from that factory over there that manufactures what you call like cement. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's not okay. That's actually not okay today. That's why you see this video. It was started by my wife because my voice aren't feeling okay. So the moment you leave it that way, it always comes, and you find that you'll be maybe allergic to the dust, or the bed looks dirty. But for now, it looks very, very, very clean, as you see. And always I'll be loving to know at the comment section what will you love to see on this journey. So the moment you see now, this one is the last episode. It can be the last episode for now, but it's not also the last episode, because this new month coming, the upcoming month, March, is going to be one of the best March, and also it's the month where we'll be having, for the Roman Catholics, they know what we call like Ash Wednesday. And this Ash Wednesday, you know something about rosemary, roseman. In Latin, it's called rosmarinus in Latino. So yeah, something like that. So it's going to be one of the best March ever. If January, then there's something we call, if I tried in January and February, then March, April, May try. So something like that. So anyway, let me not just exhaust you with a lot of words from CJ. But even when I'm talking a lot, I feel like something is here. But I'd just love to show you how everything is around, like selecting this bed, turning it back, taking everything down, sharing with you. You know, sometimes when I'm sick or when I'm feeling unwell, I always feel not okay. But so let's try and see what's happening. Huh? I thought you were just gossiping me.
Why?
Yeah, you can gossip me. You know I'm not feeling okay.
Because guys, let me report him. He slept at around 3 a.m.
I'm not feeling okay. Guys. You know, she might be saying that maybe I'm sleeping at 3 a.m. That is okay. Hey, si nikusaidia hiyo ni nini, naweza rudi hivi flap TV kwenda chini. Okay. So
They want to move the carpet.
Oh.
They won't even be able to.
Let me help her.
Okay. So now you can see hiyo side ya chini ya hiyo mattress venye inakaa.
Yeah, I'll just pull it to this other end.
Tutaosha hiyo cloth.
So this is a lot. Do you know this one are a lot of kgs here?
Yes, I'm showing them your nyash. Eh? The way your nyash has grown. He's competing, his nyash is competing with mine. Yeah.
Constance, I told you the other time to recruit you.
So that he can be working for you.
We can be working together.
Yeah.
Let me help you here. Another night.
Okay.
You see now these patches?
It's yeah,
This
yeah.
is unique. Yeah.
Eh, so I don't know.
But that one forming at all.
Form.
Kama ulikuwa na kucha mtaumia. Mattresses. Yes, I was just trying to say, like, if they have a lot of nails, you know, there's some kind of nails that ladies usually do, like this one. Oh, Constance has them. Show them your nails, they look pretty. So but she's really working. Also, my wife's looks pretty, very nice and great. Yours are short.
Mine's are short.
But she always fears to take them or to just.
I normally cut my nails down.
This one are natural one.
Yes,
right?
you were laughing at me the other day. Oh,
She used to take the fake one.
because even when the baby comes, I can't keep all these. They'll cut off at
But
some point.
I'm praying my baby to come and have my nails. Mine are nice.
Yours are hard.
Hard and very nice. Yeah, so this is what you're trying to do. The washing using the foam. Let me remember when I was let me remember when I was young. We used to do this way, and then we pretend that we are old. This looks like gray hair.
Yeah.
Let me know, some of you guys, if you really dare this to put on so that you can look like a gray hair, like an old shosho.
An old man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Looks clean, yeah.
washing it. She washes it nicely.
Yeah.
And then she will dry, so they won't take long.
Yeah, so this is chicken. And this is the same company, BWD, that I told you, under Constance. Yeah. She came back.
She's the MD, managing director.
Managing director. Yeah. She came back to like, I want to take off all your mattresses and to just clean your bed.
Yeah, these mattresses. There's a time I wasn't here during the 2023.
Yeah, when we were.
Almost the whole year.
Yeah.
Like up to 2024.
Yeah.
I could just come one day and go back to the village when we had a lot of parties in the village.
Yeah.
So my brother used to be, and my brother,
He's a party guy.
so he has a lot of friends. So then they used to come and sleep on these mattresses,
And they don't wash them.
and they don't like cover them.
Yeah.
So we hadn't bought covers.
So they had a lot of parties. Mostly this.
Yeah, especially this one.
At least this one he used to fear
This
that.
one-
He
this
used
one-
to fear.
This one is, I think they used to, and they used to sleep on the living room here.
Yeah.
So, and remember it's dusty, and the windows used to be open. So we have to clean them.
If I could have a lot of money, I could have donated it out and then I buy a new one.
I know, but it's very expensive.
Yeah, I
You can
know.
just-
Yeah.
yeah.
But you want to donate something cheap, you do not expensive.
No, I'm saying it's very expensive right now. We don't have the money to purchase another one.
Yeah, this company. How do you call Moko?
Moko.
This company is called Moko, right?
Yeah.
Moko.
Yeah.
No, mattress company.
Yeah. It's Moko company, so it's very expensive, guys. I'm telling you, if somebody tells you carry this and go with it,
You can't even, they can't steal. You can't steal these mattresses if you're a thief.
I'm telling you, a thief can go with it.
A thief can't. Especially that one. And they've come today, it's there now, they carry it.
No, there's this offers that somebody just was told that if you can carry this motorbike, just go with it. just an offer came that way. People started joking like, oh, you know what, at the stage, oh, you can't carry this, you can't carry this. Somebody took a motorbike and put it at the shoulder and went with
they
it.
drop it down there. They can't even go with it unless they have like
I'm
they're
tell-
determined in terms of they have a car. Even a car it can't fit. Lazima you have to come with a lorry.
I'm telling you, how did they carry our TV? And it was
No,
delicate.
that's a TV.
How-
A TV
and
is something small.
Guys, it was very heavy.
Guys, this is a 6x6. It's very heavy, high density.
The same way they carry the TV.
No,
the same way
I
they
don't
can go
believe
with it.
unless they have come and they have planned for like a bigger truck that can carry that one. Maybe this one, but that one they can't.
But anyway, let us not hope for that.
I don't want people to steal.
Yeah, let's not hope for that. Let us do cleaning and then we see what's happening on this other end. Yeah, at least by now my voice has started coming back, but still having some severe headache. I don't know if it's the pressure from the baby. Pressure ya nini, wanitesa tesa kwa nini? Penzi yangu kubwa mimi nakupenda, sio siri bwana, bwana wanitesa, sio bwana unipa pressure ya nini, hakutesa tesa kwa nini? Alright guys, that's one of the most oldest song and still it has its hits. So actually this work that is being done here, it needs passion and somebody who is consistent on his or her work, because it's really amazing. As you see, they're really rubbing. That time you could have seen one patch here. So because these mattresses have some white strips, so some of the places were dirty, but for now you can see it's really coming out very nice and very good. One thing I love about this is like they always do what you call like they dry it up, and by using the suction method, using the what you call like how do you call this machine? Even my vacuum cleaner. My mind was also, I don't know why. I told you today I'm tired. So you're having this vacuum cleaner, this one, so it sucks everything that is over here, also dust and everything. So the other one is already ready, so we're also waiting for it to just to dry a little bit, and then you can just check how it is. Huh? That's Constance, guys, don't mind her. So it's almost ready. Ishakauka hii. So guys, it's almost so in a few it'll dry. You know the funny thing of this one, no is kind of mattresses, this one, they don't accumulate a lot of water. I think they're like kind of waterproof, not like the other ones that you see that they are perforated. This one they are intact. So at least once in a lifetime, just cleaning. In a few I'll be having my nap. Soon I'll be having my nap, and I'll be checking on how everything is. Still, it's a lot of work being done. Also, somebody is sleeping. Somebody somewhere is watching and sleeping somewhere there on the kitchen counter, because now her zone has been destroyed. You know, the mattress has been washed, so she's like, oh my god, where am I going to sleep today? so she gone somewhere to sleep at the kitchen counter. Anyway, let's be waiting and we see how everything will be around.
Inaniangalia.
Yeah guys, so we're here and we are trying to clean over here slowly by slowly, as you see. So literally we are trying to suck some excessive water that is in here so that we can allow it to clean literally. So let's try and see what's happening. And also they are trying to suck also the what we call like the carpet, but with me. Let's go. That's your voice again. Yes, this is our machine, and this is how you see actually we've been sucking a lot of water from here. We want us to clean here again, and you see how it is. And our Lady of Mercy, she's anyway, are you okay? Yeah, Mr. Ray.
Yeah, I'm just relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just, he thought, like he's also, I was the one who was afraid that the mattresses cannot dry. But then he's even more
I
afraid.
decided to join the group,
Yeah.
the WhatsApp group, be inside.
Yes.
Anyway.
And help them out.
Yeah, so
But
actually this one is already.
Yeah, so
This
by
one is
evening
ready.
it will be ready.
Not even evening. You can even sleep here. You can have a nap after hard work. You literally pay me, right?
I'll pay you.
Yeah.
In kind.
yeah. So this one is really okay. And soon. Very kuna maji yanadondoka hapo, funga. So this one at least it's more okay. Yeah. Why? Yeah, Constance. Are you happy working with me?
Yeah, you're a very good club.
Very good.
Also, your people should call us. Come do some general cleaning in their homes. Yeah, we'll appreciate.
Okay, guys, I know actually this work is more than going to the gym, more than working in the gym, because even when I tried, you saw me, yeah. I decided just to do some arm lift ups, and then I felt like my joints are paining. Yeah? You know that's one thing that I came to realize, that sometimes you might see something, it's light, but it gives you more. Yeah, it's more than maybe what you think. So anyway, Constance, so nice way having you here, and also I appreciate for the good work that you are doing over here. My babe here is very happy.
Impressed.
You're impressed.
Beyond impressed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so let's try and see what we can do again on this other side. But in terms of cleaning, all the things that were here with dust has gone, and Moko is clean. Also this one is guest, we call it guest mattress. Yeah, so it's called guest. Oh yeah, you can get something, feel free there. You can in the fridge. No, just go choose what you want in the fridge, then you eat. Yeah, for sure. So now this one is dry, it's already dry. So the only thing is I wanna go in the living room, in the bedroom. Now I wanna arrange this stuff. It's time for fixing. Sorry guys, I came and started sleeping here with some boxes, so yeah, sorry for that. This one should go back in the room. Now everything should be fixed where it's supposed to be. Also fixing this other one. Should be fixing everything from this side also. We'll be doing what you call like sorry, let me power off this the fan. I told you the other time that this one might be very heavy. On the other hand, it might be very light. It depends with which kind of energy. So let's try to fix this bed of ours. Slowly by slowly. You know, the good thing is this guy who made this bed did what you call like a good job. So he wrote here head. So that's the bottom area over here and the head. And one thing I like about it, he used this plywood to just put here, because the moment you leave the mattress here, it will just mark these spaces. So it marks, and it makes the mattresses, it makes the most of the mattresses to not last long. So he was so thoughtful of him. So now, as it's that way, you just pull easy. Just like that. Then you fix it here. It's very hectic, guys. Let me show you something. It can't be that way. You have to use a lot of energy to raise this up. So just like that, and it's done. So take this, do that way. The moment it's this way now, it's fixed the way you see it that way. So let me remove bring what we call like the mattress, and then I fix it again. It will be very heavy and hectic, but I'll try. Let me just go and check how it will be. Pull it. You're tired.
It is heavy.
Guys, you know this mattress is very heavy, so you cannot carry it. You have to push.
I wonder.
You wonder what?
People who brought it from downstairs.
There were 3 men. 3, not even 3, 6.
From downstairs.
6 strong men.
Easy.
6 strong men. Oh, I want it to. No.
But it's supposed to be like that.
Supposed to be this way.
How?
This should be back.
Next time, this.
Wait first. I want to turn it also. Oh no, turn it down. Hey, I want it to sleep this way. Okay, push it. That way.
Then, no, this. It is all. This legs is
It's very heavy. Okay, pull it this side. Pull it again. Pull that end.
How do you want it to be?
This way, relax.
Oh, this.
See the other end also. Again. There. Okay. Again. Until it fits. You're pushing the bed. Yeah. No, for now. It has what we call like. It has what we call
This place is
which one? Which place? Here. Okay. The weight is this way, guys. There you see it. So it's time now to spread it, and then we see how everything is around. Whew. I'm telling you guys, it's not an easy way. So today we are just cleaning. That's why you see the bed. It has no any dust. It just look as clean as it is. Silver, very silver. That's why you see it. That way, that way. All right. Now waiting for baby. As you see, this my guys. This mattress, because my wife, since she got pregnant, she always have a problem with the mattress cover. She always feels that it gives her a lot of heat. It generates a lot of heat. So she said we'll take it off. So we have it over here. Let me show you. We have it over here, but she doesn't want to use it. It's over here, the mattress cover. So she always feels so there's a lot of heat. You know, there's sometimes when somebody is pregnant, you know, if your temperature, if you feel like it's so hot, with her she feels twice of that. So she decided not to use it, and I respected that. So with me, today is another sheet, not the white sheet that we were always having what we call like the fight here. Always you see something and then they say that it was this way, so I had to change it. So today we're having this one to cover it up, to change this bedroom completely, so that when baby comes, she might have a very nice place to just feel home, just like that. We bring this other end, we make sure the edges are okay. Also this other end, we make sure the edges are okay also. This end also, this end, just like that. So you tuck in very carefully and gently, because if you tuck in anyhow, you might meet a nail that the carpenter decided to surprise you. So just like that. Also here, just like that. Because this mattress is so heavy, you can't lift up and cover it the way you lift other mattresses. So you have to tuck in very careful and gentle. Careful and gentle until all the sheet is over. Just like that. Like that. That, and feels clean and nice. Did you no creases. Your bed becomes nice and clean. Just like that. The bedroom makeover. So just like that, and then it feels so much clean and nice with no creases. That's how it is. So the moment you come, I can leave this room for you, and you'll be so much okay over here. So the other day we were fixing what we call like the curtains, and we washed the curtains, we washed the walls, we fixed the curtain rods, and so this day we was like, okay, let us wash the bed. So this morning we were washing the bed, was washed, everything was removed. If there was any dust or any bed bug that was trying to just enter here, it was just removed. You know, there's some beds that you leave until it have bed bugs, but this one, it has no any bed bug. So some people might be like, Claude, you wash the bed because it has bed bugs. No, in this area even a bed bug can't survive in this hot area. That's one thing I believe. Another thing is, I saw the other day a comment, somebody saying, oh CJ, you could have spread the hard cover and then the mattress cover and then the bed sheet. Yes, that's how we always do, but one thing is, because of the mattress cover, it's kinda acrylic. Is it acrylic? You know, I don't know these materials. It's a kind of a fabric that always, you know, it's kind of nylon, so it generates a lot of heat when somebody sleeps. For now, like when my wife is very pregnant, she can't use it because it generates a lot of heat, and with her, if I feel like 20% of heat, with her she feels 40%. So we decided, like, let us just use cotton, clean cotton, so that it can not generate a lot of heat for her. Anyway, that's how we are now, and now we are waiting for baby. I think we have done now 100%. The 99% that we were telling you, it's now done on this other end. So for now, everything is clean, everything is nice and great, and yeah, you can just have her last word from here. She's resting with the baby. You'll be sleeping here and the baby will be here, right?
Are you smelling good? What is the mattress?
I'm always smelling good. I'm always smelling good. Yes, you know, with her, I'm always smelling good.
Yeah, so guys,
What are you looking?
I'm looking at...
Hey, your dreams. You're looking at the cars.
Yeah.
I'll buy you one some days when God
Amen.
opens the day.
Amen. I want...
I know you're tired of walking right now.
I know I'm tired. I know. I want to carry baby in a car.
Okay. Some days, don't worry. God will open ways.
God will open ways.
So, you haven't seen. Let me go and show you. Yeah,
Okay.
So, here it's your bed. Don't sleep at the living room. It's thank you bed.
Thank you.
Yes, instead of telling me thank you, she's saying thank you bed.
Thank you.
Thank you bed.
Like for the bed.
Okay.
For cleaning the bed.
So I decided now it's we were 90%. Now we are almost 100%.
Well, no, I think what is remaining is this, because this one you've refused to do.
I'll wash them.
I think you
Yes, I don't that I forget. It's always that I'm always busy, but I just wash. There's some few clothes
and
in
that
here.
net.
I just
and then
wash them.
The last one will just be rubbing the walls and make sure everything is
cleaning here.
Yeah.
The other end, like just wiping, because now the other day
Yeah.
so it's just wiping, and then everything will be so much.
The bed looks ish.
You want to jump?
No, up there.
The color.
They can't even
look this side. It looks silver.
Yeah, it's not like it has a more beautiful color.
Yeah.
I think and also we need to push it back a bit because she pushed it inside.
How?
It reaches the corner, so she pushed. There's a gap.
Okay.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah, so that there's space. Yeah. It's yeah. That can break your back, my dear.
If I carry you, you know how many kgs this is?
Am I as heavy as it?
This one can reach maybe 50 kgs.
Ah, 50?
50.
Do you know what 50 kgs is?
Yeah, no, this one can be.
50 kgs is mellow.
No, this one can't be as heavy. That it can be maybe 80. Yeah, it can be 80 kgs.
My favorite thing is heavy.
Now you.
190.
190. So if I carry you, all guys, you want me to You know, video carrying me now.
I think so.
Yeah.
Don't break your back. That's okay. I think that's okay for it to also leave space for moving the curtains. Don't open to blur your video. Yeah.
So just like that.
My God, it's clean. I can't, unbelievably clean.
So here you always take shower 3 times.
Look.
You take shower 3 times so you sleep.
Guys.
I always repeat this, guys. I'm repeating this. I'm always repeating this. I'm doing thorough cleaning of the baby.
Yeah.
If you come to carry my baby,
Shower
here. You have a very nice shower here. But I'll just be bearing for those who are putting up makeups. I'll just be giving you sanitizers. And then you carry the baby this way you see. No kissing. Yeah. So, but for somebody like me, my friends who are coming, there's a shower here. You just go in, shower well. I give you your favorite perfume. Start DMing me which kind of perfume you want, which kind of gel you want, so that I can buy them, fix them somewhere.
I actually, because it's a small baby, don't think the perfume will be good.
No, I'm just saying after. You know, it will be. You know, there are these people who always cautious. Like
Mild, maybe
no,
mild.
Let me tell you, like me and you are couples, right? So there's a time that you can just come to visit me, and you go. No, I came from the house. You know my always my perfume. So I go and come back without that perfume. So you'll always be like, where were you? So it's better you tell me your favorite perfume.
Or in case they shower, they go back to their wives.
If you go back to your wife, or if you go back to your husband, you already have your best perfume.
No, but they will
came
know
from the house.
But they'll know they came to visit CJ. So then when you go to CJ's house, you take a bath.
Some men have wild mind like mine. I'll always ask, why did you came from this house with makeup here?
Where is it? Yeah, that's him exactly.
You came from this house with lip balm a lot. You know me, sometimes when my girlfriend comes out of the house, I must see where the lip balm was. So like, if it came up to this point, I'll have to make a mark just without her knowing. So if she come back without that mark, I know very well
you're in trouble.
She has kissed someone. That's how terrible I am. That's how terrible I am. And on
people
other end,
people leak.
And on another end, you know, mostly girls usually carry lip glosses and lip balms. With me, with me, if you carry that, I'll be following you. Where are you going? If you carry a lot of makeups in your handbag,
unless she replaces.
No, unless she replaces, and I know to them. So I should always look into your pass to check what are you going with it out. If you carry a lot of makeups inside your purse,
that's dangerous for business.
Very dangerous for business. I'd rather take you there alone.
Okay.
Yes, but anyway, just kidding, guys. Just passing time, and yeah, that's one of insecurities. But now I don't have any insecurities.
Do you have any insecurities?
We do a video about it some days.
Hey.
So anyway, feel much attention to that, and also subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And I have to say thank you so much for watching these videos, for sticking by up to now, and also show some love. Remember, road to 30,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for 24,000, and always we keep on pushing each and every single day. So be blessed all, and bye. Bye.
Guys, now things have stopped the camera. I'm not.